Does someone in your home or family hold a bank account in their own name for someone in your family that has special needs? There's some hiccups to this quandary, and I have some options for you. I am 𝗤𝗲𝗰𝗶𝗹 of Zammitti Law, and we're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey. We provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you are seeking help with your estate plan or on the administration side after a loss of a loved one, you can reach out to us for free consultation. We'd be happy to help. You can find us at 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Okay, so if I had just had the prospective client meeting with someone whose sibling is holding a bank account in their name for their other sibling who has special needs, while this is admirable and can be helpful because the person who has special needs can't hold an account in their own name, kind of, you really can create a bigger issue. So let me explain why. First, if something happens to the person holding that account, they fall ill or they pass, those assets are not going to be automatically transferred to someone to continue taking care of that special needs sibling. It creates a mess because the beneficiaries are other people. There's no allocation there to have a backup and figure this out in a systematic way. Secondarily, those assets are then gone from the usage for that person with supplemental needs. What you can do instead is really twofold. First, if the person has enough capabilities to do some cursory banking, I don't want to say cursory banking, but manage some finances in the sense of having some access. Most states have what's called an able account, where those with special needs and some capabilities are able to have usage of these funds that are going to be still protective of their benefits that they may receive from the government. Outside of that, there's also the opportunity to have what's called a supplemental needs trust created with a trustee. Not all folks will have the need for this right away. It depends on the amount of assets that we're talking about, but those can be created as soon as there are funds available. Many of our clients, and this was part of the conversation with this prospective family, will provide and fund those trusts at their passing. So folks will think, parents will think, their child who's receiving government benefits won't be able to leave something for their child who has needs, but they can, as long as it's in the right structure of a supplemental needs trust. You don't want a family member just holding an account in their own name outside for the purpose of helping that individual. It creates a lot of headache on all sides of the coin, especially if the owner of that account has something in their life that comes up. Illness or passing. So again, I'm 𝗤𝗲𝗰𝗶𝗹 of Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey. If you need our help, we'd be happy to do so. You can reach us for free consultation at 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Hope you've learned something new. Take care. Bye-bye.